General Assam Rifle DGAR Manipur State Judo Championship 2025 Ngasi Khuman Lampak Stadium ta Loisinkhre Civic Action Program gi makada Assam Rifles amasung Manipur Judo Association anina puna khusam naduna chatliba tha sikitara mari dagi taratruk phawba numit humni jupna pangthokiba championship aduda senior junior cadet amasung sub junior category gi nupa amadi nupi gi apunba team nipan gi judaka Sahumga Yankai Henban Sarukyaki, Ngasi Loisinkhre Nimita Assam Rifles personnel amasung dignitaries humpu yauna, Mioi Loisinkhre Tinki, Tokchom Pravin Debna base, Judoka men's category gi base, Judoka Aduga Helen Morang Temna women's category gi base, Judoka Taki Mai Paklaba Imphal East District Team da Lupa Team da trophy amasung lupa lising Yankai Amadi Thawal District Team da runners up trophy ga loinana lupa lising kuntra manga khutsinaki. Individual excellence taki badasu case prize ona lupa lising therapy ki thoromaduda veteran judoka sing amasung weightlifter sing su felicitate tauki thoromaduda lieutenant general Vikas AVSM SM director Assam Rifle Bijoy Koizam president of Manipur Judo Association amasung Syam Sundar vice chancellor National Sports University su sarukyaki.
Manipur is the power of the sports. So, what better way than to engage the youth of the country and the state than sports? So, Assam Rifle has been associated with the polo, the hockey, now judo. So, under the Assam Rifle Civil Action Program, we are deeply engaged with the society in organizing sporting events. So, we want to make it an annual event like hockey and polo for the youth of Manipur. And since Manipur is one of the leading states in sports in India, we want to give them more opportunities by organizing such events.